Alright guys, how's it going? I'm going to be doing a little bit of a clay bar tutorial today. So I'm working with this Mother's California Gold clay bar kit. It comes with this squirty detailer stuff, which is basically just a lubricant. And it's going to fall over. It also comes with this, which is the clay bar. It comes with, this is a half of one of the pieces and it comes with two. And I've already done an entire car with this piece, so you can get pretty far with the two clay bars they give you. They come in packages like that. So I cut it in half, and that's good for one car, and I'm going to use that same one on this car. So I think that's quite a bit of clay bar for the money. So now, the clay bar, it's pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to take your spray, and you're going to use this, generously, more the merrier. You don't want to have a little bit of this, because what you're going to do is when you're rubbing the clay bar back and forth, you're going to scratch it. So first thing, we're going to take this clay bar and we're going to smash it up. It's already kind of in a ball, so we're going to do that. We're going to make it into kind of like a little pad, something you can put your fingers in. We're going to do a little bit of that. So in like this little flat shape, put our fingers on it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the hood as our test panel. And we'll do a spray. And we'll spray it. We're going to spray a lot of it, and now what we're going to do is we're going to do simple back and forth strokes, no circular motions, back and forth, straight, which is weird because when you wax you go circular, but this is straight motions, back and forth, side to side, whichever way you choose. I like going this way. So that's how we're going to do it. We take the clay bar, just put the quick detailer down, do it like that, and then just go like this. And you're going to rub it like this, back and forth, and then you're going to feel the paint get real smooth. You're going to feel it get nice and smooth, nice and slick, and this thing's going to be gliding real easy, because when you first start, it's going to feel a little rough. That's how you know you need a clay bar. But once you do it for a while, it gets real smooth, and it's quite satisfying. So you're going to do that. You do it like that. Now you're going to do the entire car like that, so it takes quite a while. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take Mr. Microfiber towel when you're all done with the panel. Take Mr. Microfiber towel and you're going to rub it like that. And it's not going to look real pretty at first, but trust me, it'll clear up fine. Do the other side. And now we got a nice smooth finish to work with here for our waxing process. Now I'll do another waxing video. That'll be separate. But now this panel, or this little section I did, is prepared for waxing, and it's important to clay bar at first, so your wax applies nice and smoothly. Otherwise, when your wax goes down, it's going to be going on top of all the imperfections in the paint, and your wax isn't going to last very long. So once you clay bar it before you wax, you'll get a much longer lasting wax, and the whole car will just look a lot better. And then when you're done with the waxing process, you'll get that nice smooth finish that everybody loves. So yeah. That's how you clay bar a car. Thanks.